Hi people, I want to show you something. This is my papaya. Look how beautiful it is. But it was in that small thing right there. It couldn't grow there. And under it, there was a whole bunch of roots, as you can see right there. I'm gonna fill this up with dirt and and fill this up, and then she's gonna go. I think I'm gonna leave her right there, cause she's growing beautifully there. So, cause I also want to take this spot here. I wanna use it for papaya, my papaya. So I don't know if I'm gonna be able to finish that today, but at least I'm gonna finish this one. Cause it's already 2 o'clock. I have a lot of things to do, so I don't know if I could. Let me put this up. I want to show you something first. Look at the roots of this. Isn't it big? Look at that. Giant roots. I also have another papaya in the back of where I got the cement part. Let me see if I could go outside for a minute and show you. Hold on. This other papaya is right behind the cement, and right there is growing another papaya. So we're gonna have two, and as you can see, everything's going crazy. We're gonna have to. Well, this diet is not really mine, so it's just from where the banana's at. Over there is theirs from the banana. Over here is ours. So the papaya lands in my side of the road. In other words, so we have a lot of problems with the cuttings and everything, as you can see. But the plants are growing beautifully. Look how those bananas, how beautifully it's growing. And this one that is my uncle's, look how beautiful. It's growing like never been grown before. Look at that. Beautiful. Look at the stems of that. I feel sorry because usually I put water on them when the floor is too dry like now. But because of this thing, I can't pass, and get the hose to put water on it. So it hurts me seeing them like that. They look like they need water. So I'm praying that it rains. So we still have to clean all this out, and it's very hard. That little thing right there that you see, you think anybody could pick that? That is solid wood. There's no way. My husband tried to take it out. He couldn't, he couldn't take it out by himself. And I don't have nobody else that could do it. So it's staying there until I don't know what. I had a friend that he was living here in Puerto Rico. He was the one who helped me with the grass, cutting grass and all that stuff. And he moved, so he moved to the States. So he's not helping me no more. But I'm glad he did. He's doing good. And we talked just like 2 or 3 days ago. I gave him a surprise call, and he was excited. He's a good kid. He's a good man. And life of it. Sometimes it could be hard on you, but he's moving up, and that's the important thing. I just ask God to bless him. So this papaya, then I'm gonna go. This is ours. The one that is inside my balcony, I'm gonna keep it there, just for in case another hurricane comes. They won't destroy it. The bananas, you could see, none of them were destroyed. None of them back here. Just over there, how my plantains did. Something flew and ran right on top of my plantain, and I need two people to take it out, move it out. But I figure, but they could run now. You can't do nothing about it. They're probably all dead. I had 7 little babies coming out. So I got my papaya. Look how beautiful it is. Look, it fits right there perfectly. So I think it likes it because it looks like it's standing up. They say that when you do something to the plant and they kind of stand up, like they perk up, is because they are happy. When they calm down, like they go sloppy like this, that means that they sad. This one looks like it's happy. It's just sparkling up there. So I'm gonna put some water on it, and I guess that will be all for now. I still gotta transplant my papaya, not my papaya, my eggplant. Oh, and it has It has let me show you. Okay, harvesting my first eggplant. Ha ha ha, eggplant. I'm gonna take this eggplant. I'm gonna take some aloe vera. I'm gonna cut them up. That will be tomorrow. I'm gonna put this one in the refrigerator so it doesn't get all messed up. But and then I'm gonna put them in the blender, and I'm gonna make me a nice orange juice with aloe vera, eggplant, and orange juice. So I'll let you see that when I do it. And well, that'll be all for now. Okay, bye bye. God bless you all. Bye bye.